Well, you can find Chilton books shelved in our collection. You can also find a whole Chilton Library online for free with your Virginia Beach Public Library card. My name is Cleo, and I will quickly show you how to find and search the Chilton Library database. At your convenience, you can search the Chilton Library on various devices, including, but not limited to, a tablet or a laptop. Go to www.vbgov.com/libraries. Click on Digital Library and select Learn. Select Chilton Library in the Automotive tab. Sign in with your Virginia Beach Public Library card number. You can search for your vehicle by year, make, and model. Chilton Library even has ASE test prep quizzes. However, my focus will be on vehicle searching. Let's search for a 2012 Honda Fit in the left navigation bar. For this particular vehicle, we have 4 categories of information available: repair, maintenance, labor estimating, and bulletins or recalls. Other vehicles may have less categories available. I'm going to click on repair. Look through the left navigation to find what you're looking for. You can also use the search bar to narrow things down. For example, I'm going to search for glove box. Now I'm clicking on glove box removal or installation. The right pane displays the results of my search. If you run into problems displaying things from Chilton Library, check the Help tab at the top. When you scroll down, you will see browser recommendations and system requirements. Now you know how to use the Chilton Library for free. For more helpful tips, be sure to subscribe for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.